So these are the two pieces for the locking system. This is the self-contained tool head, which has the hot and the part cooling fan built in. It also has a filament sensor encoder, if you can actually see that in there, as well as Z probe built into the tool head itself, using a modified version of the tap. Here is the carriage which will go on the linear rail, so that's the MGN12 block right there. And then these are the two pieces, the lock mechanism, the top one and the bottom one. So if you can see, there are three. These are the locking pin areas, and then these three are the Maxwell coupling points. And the tool head also has, these two are the locking pins, and then these are the Maxwell coupling locking pins, or the Maxwell coupling pins that will slide into those Maxwell coupling points. So the way the system works is you slide these in, and once this is done, you lock from both sides, and it is locked. It is locked extremely well. There is no lateral or movement in any direction. Essentially, there's absolutely no movement anywhere when the tool head is locked onto the carriage. To unlock, you just slide these two out, and then it just separates out without any interference. So really happy with the mechanism, and I think it's working really well, based on how well the locking sequence actually is working. It's very simple to assemble, and but it works really well. So looking forward to actually putting this onto the tool changer, and once that is done, I think we would have some period of adjustment that needs to be done in terms of the macros and stuff, but I think it should be operational fairly soon. So we'll keep you guys updated.